Unit 10, Recursion. Topic 10.2, Recursive Searching and Sorting. In Unit 7, we introduced the concepts of searching through and sorting data. Searching algorithms help us locate specific data stored within a data structure. Sorting algorithms help us organize the data stored within data structures. You might be asking, what does this have to do with recursion? Binary search and merge sort can be written as recursive algorithms. There are two search algorithms you need to be familiar with in AP CSA. We already learned about the linear or sequential search in Unit 7. Now we will take our time to learn about the recursive binary search. Organizing or sorting data can make it easier to search through data. There are three sorting algorithms you need to be familiar with in AP CSA. We already learned about selection sort and insertion sort in Unit 7. We will now cover merge sort. We mentioned in Lesson 10.1 that recursive methods have two basic parts: the base case and the recursive case, which contains the recursive call. We will look for these parts in a binary search and merge sort algorithms. We will then explore each algorithm in more detail. Look at this binary search algorithm. Can you identify the base case or cases and recursive call or calls? Here are your base cases. When do you think return -1 would occur? When the target is not found, -1 is returned. Here are your recursive calls. Look at this merge sort algorithm. Can you identify the base case or cases and recursive call or calls? Here is the base case. If the list is empty or has one item, it is already considered sorted and the method will end. Here are the recursive calls. Now let's explore the binary search in more detail to better understand it. Note that the prefix by means to. This is important. Data must be in sorted order to use the binary search algorithm. The binary search algorithm starts at the middle of a sorted array or array list and eliminates half of the array or array list in each iteration until the desired value is found or all of the elements have been eliminated. Binary search can be more efficient than sequential or linear search. Search algorithms other than sequential, linear, and binary search are outside the scope of the course and AP exam. The binary search algorithm can be written either iteratively or recursively. Let's now explore the merge sort in more detail to better understand it. Merge sort is a recursive sorting algorithm that can be used to sort elements in an array or array list. Merge sort is a recursive algorithm that continually splits a list in half. If the list has more than one item, we split the list and recursively invoke a merge sort on both halves. Once the two halves are sorted, the fundamental operation called a merge is performed. Merging is the process of taking two smaller sorted lists and combining them together into a single sorted new list. The 10.2 Daily Video 1 explores the logic behind binary search in more detail. Daily Video 2 explores the logic behind merge sort in more detail. And in the Daily Video 3, there is an emphasis in the merge portion of the merge sort algorithm.